Giraffes are iconic for one thing more than anything else: those ridiculously long necks. At first glance, it seems obvious. They use them to reach leaves high in the trees. That's partly true, but it's not the whole story. In fact, scientists now believe there's something much stranger going on. Giraffe necks didn't just evolve to eat. They may have evolved to fight. Yes, giraffes actually use their necks as weapons. Males battle each other by swinging their necks like medieval flails. These battles are called necking, and they're serious. Imagine two giraffes smashing their heads into each other like slow-motion wrecking balls. The giraffe with the longer, stronger neck usually wins, and that winner gets mating rights, passing on those long neck genes. So in giraffe world, a long neck equals power and love. But there's something even stranger. Giraffes have the same number of neck bones as humans, just 7 vertebrae, but each one is massive, up to 10 inches long. Their entire neck is basically 7 giant bones stacked together. And their spinal cord doesn't even run through the neck bones like ours. Instead, it's tucked below, protected during those epic head battles. But the long neck causes serious design problems too. For one, getting blood to the brain is a big deal when your head is 6 feet up. Giraffes have insanely powerful hearts, over 2 feet long, to pump blood that high. And they have special valves in their neck veins to prevent fainting when they bend down. If they drop their head too fast, they could pass out, or worse. Their bodies are like natural hydraulic systems, finely tuned over millions of years. Still, even with all that, drinking water is an awkward and risky move. They have to spread their legs wide and dip their heads low, totally vulnerable. That's when predators like lions can take advantage. It's one reason giraffes drink fast and stay alert, or drink only when others are watching. But even standing up straight, they're never really safe. Their height makes them visible from miles away, like walking billboards for predators. That's why giraffes rely more on speed and vision than brute strength. They can run up to 35 miles per hour. Not bad for a lanky skyscraper. And their eyesight? Incredible. They can spot danger way before it gets close. But the neck isn't just a tool. It's also a communication device. Giraffes posture and tilt their heads to show dominance or curiosity. They can even hum to each other at night, a sound we've only recently recorded. Some scientists think those hums are part of giraffe whispers. And yes, that's as magical as it sounds. Still, the long neck remains a bit of a mystery. Some researchers say it's a perfect example of runaway evolution. That's when a trait gets exaggerated because of how sexy it seems to other giraffes. Like a peacock's tail, the neck just got longer and longer over time, even if it wasn't always practical. In fact, fossil giraffes had much shorter necks. Some looked more like antelope. One prehistoric giraffe species had a thick neck shaped like a battering ram. So the neck battle theory might have deeper roots than we thought. Today's giraffes still fight, but it's usually more display than destruction. Sometimes they just gently spar, like neck dancing, testing each other out. But when it's serious, they go full gladiator. It's a bizarre sight, elegance mixed with raw violence, all for a chance to pass on the ultimate giraffe flex. So yes, the neck helps with food, but it's also a symbol of status. Strength, resilience, beauty, and survival. Evolution shaped giraffes into weird, wonderful giants. And they're still evolving, adapting to new climates and shrinking habitats. Today, giraffes are vulnerable, with some subspecies critically endangered. Their long necks may reach the trees, but they need us to reach out too. Protecting giraffes means protecting entire ecosystems, and preserving one of Earth's most iconic and bizarre creatures. So next time you see a giraffe, remember, that neck tells a wild, ancient story. And it's a story we're still learning to understand.